let's just talk about why Kamut and why I am so passionate about this flour, because we really do feel connected. I say that all the time. We actually discovered this wheat in Italy. So there was a pizza place that said made with 100% Kamut. My mom went in and was like, well, I've always heard of Kamut. We've always used the whole wheat Kamut. It tasted like white pizza, but 1,000 times better. She asked the chef in the pizza place, what is this flour? He could barely speak English, and he told her to go over to the farmer's market where they were selling the Kamut. So she went over, they were selling it in little 3-pound bags, and she grabbed all that she could, took it back to her apartment in Germany, and started baking and using it. She just couldn't believe the taste. It was the texture, it was the color, it was the smell, everything about it. I mean, look at this flour. It's got like a yellow tint to it. It's 100% organic. It's been naturally enriched. It's an ancient grain. It's never been genetically modified. It's known for taste, texture, digestibility. It has less gluten than any white flour in the world. And so instantly we're like, where are we going to find this here in America? 6 years ago, I started the Instagram. We had no clue where to buy it. Asking all the shops, where do we get this Kamut? They kept giving us the wrong flour, and it was amazing how we found the farmer up in Montana. It's a very long story, which I'll tell another day. Now we are the #1 distributor in the US. So they have been selling and growing the Kamut up in Montana for Italy for over 30 years. But here in America, we didn't want to hear about it. Nobody was getting into it until us. And now it's incredible, the stories and the way that it's changing so many people's lives. But for us, the #1 first thing was just taste alone. You will notice it. And it's all about using the old, good, clean ingredients. Our wheat now today has been so genetically messed up. This is why we have gut issues. But this, with it being an ancient grain, it's perfection. You wouldn't believe the stories that I hear daily. We can't say that it's gluten-free, but because it has less gluten and it's never been genetically modified, you won't believe what it does on your gut. I even just heard a story today, right before we started filming this, of this guy that has this weird irritation when he eats gluten in his throat. His cute friend of a friend texted me and said, she made the Kamut bread and he had 0 reaction. Normally when he eats gluten, he has a horrible reaction and I guess he ends up in the ER. And gosh, it makes me emotional. He can eat it. He could eat the Kamut. And so it's like this, we feel like is truly God's flour. I feel like it was meant to come back here to the US, and I'm the one that's gonna be cheering you all day long to be baking and using it, because it truly is the greatest flour in the world.